People say AI can make you $100 a day. But if that's true, why are most people still broke? Pause. Lean in slightly. This video will explain exactly why, and I'll show you the real blueprint that's working right now. AI is not magic. AI is not a shortcut. But in the right hands, it becomes a money-making system so reliable it feels like a superpower. The problem isn't a lack of tools, it's a lack of strategy. Today, I'll show you why 95% of people fail with AI, and I'll walk you through the exact 5% framework that's creating real income right now. Mistake 1, the tool-chasing loop. Most people don't fail because AI doesn't work. They fail because they use AI without direction. They're in what I call the tool-chasing loop. Monday, it's ChatGPT for side income. Tuesday, a new AI video editor. Wednesday, an AI trading bot. By Friday, they're overwhelmed, spent $200 on subscriptions, and made $0. Sound familiar? Mistake 2, the idea-only paralysis. The second mistake, believing a great AI-generated idea equals money. It doesn't. An idea is a ghost. Execution is the body. Most people get 100 ideas from ChatGPT, celebrate, and stop there. No client, no product, no market. Mistake 3, skipping the human layer. The biggest mistake, treating AI output as final product. AI is a brilliant intern, not a CEO. The money isn't in the raw output, it's in the human touch, the editing, the strategy, the nuance. Fail to add this layer, and you're selling commodity work for commodity prices. So who wins? They don't chase tools. They solve one specific valuable problem with a system. Meet Sarah. She doesn't use AI. She's a B2B blog post specialist. She uses AI for one thing and one thing only, beating writer's block and outlining. Then she adds her expertise, client knowledge, and edits. She's 3 times faster, charges the same premium rate, and her clients love her. AI didn't replace her, it amplified her niche skill. Then there's David. He runs a small fitness brand. He used to waste hours on product descriptions and email replies. Now he has a simple system. AI drafts 50 product descriptions based on his brand voice. He reviews and tweaks them in 30 minutes. He uses AI to answer common customer service queries. He saved 15 hours a week. That's time he spends on partnerships that grew revenue 20%. Finally, Priya. She's a career coach. Her product is her insight. Her marketing is LinkedIn. She uses AI to 1. Analyze top-performing posts in her niche, 2. Generate 10 draft hooks based on her ideas, 3. Repurpose one long piece of content into a carousel, a script, and 5 tweets. She posts daily without burnout. Leads come to her. She's the conductor. AI is the orchestra. See the pattern? AI is not the product. Their solution, their expertise is the product. Your turn. This isn't complicated, but it requires discipline. We're building a system in 30 days. Phase 1, the foundation, week 1. Step 1, pick one micro skill, not writing. Writing 500-word SEO product descriptions for eco-friendly brands, or creating 10-second hook scripts for TikTok ads. The narrower, the better. You're a sniper, not a shotgun. Actionable tip. Write down 3 micro skills you have. Now cross off 2. The one left is your focus for the next 90 days. Phase 2, the assembly line, weeks 2 and 3. Step 2, design your 3-part assembly line. 1, AI does the heavy lifting. Use it for brainstorming, drafting, structuring. 2, you do the magic. Add your experience, edit for emotion, insert client-specific knowledge, check for inaccuracies. This is your signature layer, where your value lives. 3, systematize the output. Create templates and prompts from your best work so it's even faster next time. Phase 3, the consistency contract, week 4. Step 3, the 30-day consistency contract. For the next 30 days, you will execute this system for 1 hour a day. Not for money at first, for proof.
Create 30 samples, improve the process daily. Money follows consistency, not motivation. On day 31, you now have a portfolio and a repeatable process you can sell. Crucial point, track your time. How long did it take on day 1 versus day 30? Speed is a metric of a working system. You have a system, now let's monetize it. You don't need 10,000 followers, you need proof and outreach. Path A, the service model. Take your 30 samples, create a simple one-page portfolio. Now find 5 businesses or creators who need your micro skill. Your pitch is simple. I help type of business do your micro skill faster and better. Here are 3 samples relevant to you. I can deliver result in half the usual time. You're not selling AI, you're selling a result with a faster turnaround. Path B, the content model. Use your system publicly. Document the process. Here's how I used AI to write 10 product descriptions in 1 hour. That piece of content is your lead generator. It attracts people who want the same result. You build authority, then offer your system as a service or a template pack. Path C, the productization model. This is the ultimate goal. Once your system is airtight, productize it. Turn it into a customizable template, a mini course teaching your exact method. Now you're not trading time for money, you're scaling your system. Let's get brutally honest about expectations. Month 1, build and refine your system. Cost, your time, maybe a $20 GPT subscription. Revenue, $0. Success is 30 completed samples. Month 2, land your first 1 to 3 small clients or make your first digital product sale. Revenue $200 to $1,000. Month 3, optimize and scale. Raise rates, build a wait list, or create a second product. Revenue grows. The pitfall to avoid, do not abandon your micro skill after one failed outreach. The system works when you work the system. Pivot your offer, not your skill. The information is worthless without action. Here is your immediate sequence for the next 24 hours. 1. Pause this video, open a note, write your chosen micro skill. 2. Design your first prompt, make it specific. Use the structure I showed you. 3. Produce 1 sample, just 1, today. 4. Post it somewhere, in a relevant Facebook group, on LinkedIn, or in a Discord. Say, I made this using my new system. Thoughts? You've now broken the cycle. You're not just consuming content, you're building an asset. AI didn't create a gold rush, it created a tool rush. The money isn't in selling shovels, it's in becoming the most skilled, systematic miner in a specific field. Your intelligence, your taste, your system, that's your unfair advantage. If this framework makes sense, like and subscribe. Every week, I deconstruct a real money-making system like this. No hype, just mechanics. The first step starts now. I'll see you in the next one.